Are you tired of struggling with everyday tasks? Discover tools that will change your life forever. Introducing the ultimate collection of essential tools designed to make your life easier. First, the multifunctional pocket tool combines 18 different tools into one sleek package. It's compact, portable, and perfect for any situation. Next, the Smart Level provides precise measurements instantly. Say goodbye to crooked shelves and uneven pictures on the wall. These tools simplify your projects and save you time. Their innovative designs make them user-friendly for everyone, regardless of skill level. Using the multifunctional pocket tool, you can easily tackle repairs, open packages, and more, all with one device. The Smart Level features an easy-to-read display and includes built-in sound alerts for precision. With every turn of the pocket tool, a sense of empowerment grows within you, bridging the gap between intention and execution. You are no longer just an ordinary DIYer, you've become a master of your craft, showcasing your skills with every precise measurement and clean finish. As your confidence soars, so does your ability to tackle not just small repairs, but larger projects that once seemed daunting, turning your home into a testimony of your newfound capabilities. By incorporating these essential tools into your routine, you redefine what is possible, elevating your approach to every project and inspiring those around you to do the same. Don't hesitate. Seize this opportunity to enhance your skills and transform your everyday life. Are you struggling with everyday tasks? You're not alone. Many people feel overwhelmed. Today, we'll simplify your projects with essential tools. Imagine upgrading your toolkit to make life easier. Our goal is to help you work smarter, not harder. First, let's discuss the multifunctional pocket tool. It combines 18 tools in one compact design. It's perfect for any situation. Use it to tackle repairs or open packages easily. Next up, the Smart Level. This tool provides precise measurements instantly. No more crooked shelves or uneven pictures. The easy-to-read display and sound alerts assist you in achieving perfect alignment. Our last tool, the magnetic wristband, holds screws and nails securely. Forget searching for misplaced tools. Everything will be right at your fingertips while you work. As we've seen, these innovative tools simplify tasks and save time. They're designed for everyone's skill level, enhancing accuracy and improving efficiency. In summary, upgrading your toolkit transforms your workflow. You'll experience enhanced skills and confidence while tackling projects. Try incorporating these tools today. Watch how they change your approach. Don't miss this chance to elevate your projects. Ready to take action? Visit our website now and get your essential tools. Don't wait to transform your life.